Hi friends, today I'm decorating 3 glass jars in 3 different styles using faux greenery, flowers, and a simple battery operated candle. Each jar has its own look and they're all perfect for adding a soft glow to the porch. Okay, so for the first jar I decided to place my faux string of pearls inside the jar. I'm just placing it at the bottom of the jar. After doing this, I decided to add in some of my faux succulent plants. I have a darker green, purple, and some light green succulents that I'm adding to the jar. And I'm just going to allow them to sit naturally against the glass. And then once everything is arranged, I will be placing my battery operated candle right in the center of the jar. This jar, I was going more for a calm and earthy feel. Okay, so for this jar, I'm using my vine and my bright pink florals. So I'm placing my vine inside of the jar, like I did with the first jar. And for this design, I decided to use my bright pink flowers. So I went ahead and I removed the flower tops from the wire stems. This way I could tuck the flowers around the vine. Okay, and so for this jar, I decided to go for a more cheerful and full of color display. And once I place my pink flowers in, I will just add my battery operated candle right in the center. And it is just so pretty when it's displayed with the light in the jar. Okay, so for my last jar, I'm using some yellow blooms and foliage. This last jar is simple yet so pretty. I place my yellow flowers along with some foliage around the base of the jar. I want it to keep the arrangement loose and natural. So then I added the battery operated candle in the center like I did with the first two decorations. I like to think of this one as bright, soft, and perfect for a sunny porch. Once you have done that, that is it for the 3 designs. I like how each one is easy to put together and it adds a warm and cozy glow to any space. Thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you soon.